All right, we are in Venetian Bay in New Smyrna Beach. I want to show you this property. I have a couple clients out there that want me to email this to them. So I do this for a lot of my clients. I'm looking down the side of the property. This is a corner lot. Very large lot, actually. And it is a Paytas home. We're actually in Marisol, and we will walk in and I'll show you the property. I like how they did the concrete. Nice landscaping. We have paver walkway and deck. And let's walk in and check it out. Just to let you know, the blue that's on the walls in here is going to be repainted to like a kind of like a off-white or a little darker. I'll show you the color and point it out, and we'll do another video just to show you later. Love the ceiling, beautiful, lots of cutouts. Paytas builds a great home. Crown molding throughout the entire home. And here, let's spin around here to the formal dining. Same thing with this red wall. It will be repainted. We'll walk into the kitchen. Nice kitchen. Little spots for decorative things. Check out the backsplash. Nice backsplash. Comes with all the appliances. Just like Paytas Homes. That nice window, which is kind of playing tricks on my camera right now because it's making it dark in here when it's really not dark in here. We'll back up over here. Very nicely done. We're going to shoot into the garage. I don't do this a lot if you look at the other videos, but I want to show you how large this garage is. It's a typical 2-stall garage, but it has a little roll-up door there that you can open up. So it's actually a 1-stall on the back of the garage, which is kind of cool. Let's check out the tile as we're walking in. We have a seated breakfast area. I'm assuming that table and chairs will stay here and the bar stools will stay here, but we'll check with the owner. Awesome laundry room. I like how they did the little shelf here on the back for just over the laundry. And then that door goes out to the garage. I also want to point out it's set up for wash tub already. This house is not, well, actually has been appraised already for $275. And they've got it priced lower than that. Great master. I love the floors. Floors are really nice. They've got a nice little setting area here. And as you can see, I mean, there's a lot of detail here. It's very bright outside today, so my camera's kind of playing with me a little bit, and I apologize for that. But nice, very nice. Then we walk into the master bath, which we have a double vanity. Garden tub, or actually Roman style tub also. And a huge, absolutely huge shower area, which is nice. Cutouts up here also. Beautiful home. I like that there's no carpet. We have another bedroom here. This is going to be the color of those other rooms where the blue and the red is. just to kind of give you a frame, a reference. This room will probably stay blue. If you would like it repainted, they will. But it looks great, especially for a boys' room or an office. They did very nice paint work throughout. This was not a do-it-yourselfer. This was done very well. And then we have a full-size bath here for your guest, which looks very nice also. Tile all the way up. Looks great. I want to end it with the backyard. This is a great, absolutely fantastic area to raise kids. And let me show you back here where you can have lots of fun. Pavered or hardscape for your deck. Large backyard. It looks like a fairly new swing set for the kids, and they will leave that or have it removed. But a beautiful backyard, all fenced in, ready for pups or kids. There's that overhead door that I was talking about that goes into the garage. This house is in very good condition. They've already had a home inspection done. Of course, you'd want to have your own done also. But it's ready to buy. Ceiling fan outside also, so you can enjoy it. Tinted windows and big sliders. And we will end, where are we going to end today? We'll end here in the kitchen. Any questions, let me know right away. This won't last.